Baking is fun with lots of yummy things to eat. A is for apple pie. Try it warm with a scoop of ice cream on top for a sweet summer treat. B is for bread. It comes in all different shapes and sizes. Breads are best when they are hot and fresh out of the oven. C is for chocolate chip cookie, cobbler, croissant, cupcake, and cake. So many yummy things start with the letter C. D is for donut. You can make donuts with jelly inside or with colorful sprinkles on top. E is for éclair. It is a French pastry filled with cream and topped with chocolate icing. F is for fudge. This one has nuts inside to give it that extra crunch, but they can come in all different flavors. G is for gingerbread cookie. These are always so much fun to decorate during the holidays. H is for honey bun. Honey buns are swirls of sweet dough topped with an icing glaze. Yum! I is for ice cream cake. This cold cake melts fast, so you better eat it quickly. J is for jelly roll. This is actually a cake, but it is rolled up and then sliced. It looks different, but tastes great. K is for key lime pie. It is a little bit tart, but still oh so sweet. And topped with a lime makes it fun to eat. L is for lemon bar. These are also tart, but are topped with powdered sugar, making them a pretty treat. M is for muffin. They make the perfect breakfast treat. Try them with blueberries, bananas, or chocolate baked inside. Or if you are super hungry, try them with all three. N is for New York cheesecake. It is a classic dessert topped with yummy fruit like cherries. You will want to eat more than just one slice. O is for oatmeal raisin cookie. They are healthier cookies, but are still so sweet. P is for pie. So many varieties of pie to try. Q is for Queen Elizabeth cake. This cake is named after a famous queen from the United Kingdom. It is topped with sugary icing and shredded coconut. Yum! R is for red velvet cake. So sweet and moist. Cut a slice to see the red layers inside. S is for sugar cookie. Get ready to decorate. Sugar cookies can be cut into all different shapes and topped however you want. T is for truffle. A truffle is a type of chocolate dessert that has chocolate on the inside and out, making it very sweet. U is for upside down cake. Just like it sounds, this cake is upside down. Topped with sliced pineapples also makes it unique. V is for vanilla cream pie. This pie is perfect for the summer when it is hot outside because it is creamy on the inside and topped with a cloud of whipped cream. W is for whoopie pie. It's a pie you can hold in your hand. They come in all different flavors and colors and are very fun to eat. X is for jusho. This unique dessert is like a cream-filled donut. It is commonly eaten for breakfast or with tea in Spain. Y is for Yule log. You will see this cake at Christmas. It's a rolled cake, and it is shaped like a tree trunk to get you into the holiday spirit. Z is for Zeppole. It's the last on our list and comes from Italy. A zeppole is a deep-fried dough and can be filled with jelly or cream. Now you have made it through our ABCs of baking. Are you hungry yet? Which sweet treat do you most want to eat?